Good morning, you guys. How are you? We're freezing where I live. We're currently living in a snow globe. That's our street. Yeah. And I'm over it. I'm over the snow. I'm over the cold. I looked this morning. It said it's 4 degrees outside, but feels like -8. Somebody come get me. That's my poor little car, snow covered. Our stairs, which all of this had melted yesterday, and now it's not. It's just crazy. Like, the roads are so bad right now. Yeah, I think a scraper has come by maybe once right now. Spencer left this morning. The roads were absolutely covered. You couldn't even see the road. I have just recently started to use this Chobani coffee creamer. I absolutely love it. I am going on kind of like a healthier diet, so this is a really great option. It tastes really good, and it's a good alternative if you are trying to, get healthy, like me. As far as my health journey goes, it's we're struggle busting over here. I don't know what it is postpartum, but guys, like just this past week alone, and maybe I'm getting ready to start my period, I don't know, but I started at 146.6 pounds, and I weighed myself this morning. It's just been 7 days since then, and I am 151.1 pounds. Tell me how I gained 5 pounds in a week. That doesn't really happen for me. I've gone through weight loss before, and I've tracked my progress. So this is just super out of the ordinary for me, and I'm like very frustrated. Anyways, last week I tracked it here, but I didn't hit any of my macros at all. Like, I was always over my fat, always over my carbs. And then for 3 of the days, I didn't even track my macros, which is not, I'm not recording it to feel bad about myself. I'm recording it so I know, like, hey, these are things that you need to change. It's just really eye-opening. So that's really something I need to be conscious about this week, is just creating meals that are helping me. I worked out 2 times fully last week, and then one day for only 13 minutes because Penelope started to cry, and I just didn't get back to it because it was already super late, and I got her down maybe at like 10:30, so I was like, yeah, I'm not finishing my workout. I'm going to bed. And I am trying to get a gallon of water in every day. Most days I got like 70 to 80 ounces in. I think a gallon is like 121 ounces. My goal is 120 ounces. That did not happen. And then again, 3 days I didn't track. So I also would like to start like implementing reading back into my schedule, because I really do enjoy it, but I just haven't really made time for it. This week is a fresh start, and hopefully we can see some progress by the end of the week. Even like, I don't know, just with water. I have to keep a positive attitude, and I really need to just be consistent with myself and not so hard on myself. Me and my husband talked about this yesterday, actually, and it's a work in progress for sure. We will get there one day, and I know the weather really does not help my mood, and it doesn't boost my productivity, so I'm giving myself a little bit of grace there, but I also don't want to give myself too much to where I'm like becoming lazy. So I'm trying to find the in-between. Penelope is growing so big. Look at her. She's on her tummy now. She loves tummy time, for the most part, and she's almost able to roll over by herself. She can go from her back to belly is harder for her, but she'll get there. She's learning. I need a new dresser. My plan for that area over there with the dresser that is very sad, is to create like a closet system. Our room is definitely big enough to house that space over there, and it's kind of like dead space anyways. We have literally just dresser, and it's just wasted space. This is our closet back here, and it's a decent size. It goes all the way back, but from probably that second little white post back is Spencer's stuff, and we have the shelf back there for his shoes, but it's like pretty crowded back here. And then I've got some shelves here. We could definitely use more closet space right there, especially because it is a pretty wide area. So I just feel like, especially like the wall space, we don't use for anything. But I think that would be a very smart storage option for our space. So planning for that pretty soon. Now that Penelope is in her crib, it's time to take this bassinet out of our room just to give us a little bit more space in here. We have loved sleeping with her in here, but it's just time, you know? She has really outgrown herself in this. Oh, okay, there's that. This is a disaster. Okay. Oh. There's got to be a better way. Oh. Okay. There we go.
outfit do we want to wear today? She's my little wiggle worm. Yes, she is. She's my little wiggle worm. How about this? I gotta put socks on you today because it's cold out. Do purple? Well, give me your foot, babe. Give me those feet. Give me these feet. Give me these feet. Got you. Hey. So, oh my gosh, you're such a big girl. You're such a big girl.
I have a lot of her laundry right here that needs to be done. There's also a basket downstairs I need to add to this. I think those are just newborn clothes that need to just go upstairs. Totally forgot that I need to wash this mattress, her sheets. So we'll take this downstairs with us to wash. I go ahead and usually have an extra set ready and available because I normally get sidetracked throughout the day and will forget. And then I get up here at nighttime and I'm like, oh crap. And I've done that with our sheets a lot before, so I really wanted to have extras for her as well. How cute this little beanbag chair we got for Penelope is. I think it's adorable. Let's go ahead and open it. That's really gross. I just want to see how cute it is. Let me get some scissors. Are you curious? I'm gonna dump it. It looks like it's vacuum sealed. Guys, this is gonna be so cute. There's one thing you know about me, I hate tags. Soon. It's looking strange right now. They are very curious about it. I have been meaning to do this for months now. We finally got some WD-40 and our cabinets are super squeaky. So hopefully this does the job and we'll see. I'm just gonna, so far so good. The next time Penelope goes down for a nap, I'm gonna go outside and clean my car off just in case I need to use it. Just kidding, it's way too cold outside. I'm not doing that. I am gonna sit here and sketch a little bit. I think I was saying earlier how I want to do a closet system in our room, and not only that, but I also want to do a bookcase. It's near the window in our room, not where our bed is, like where our closet is. I'm really just trying to make it a little bit more functional because I feel like that space is very unused, and whether we use it for storage or like an actual bookcase, I think it would be so cute. Because, let me just show you real quick. This is the area I'm talking about. This is where I have like the frames on the wall, and the bed sits here. The window is here-ish, if it were to go off the paper. But this is the empty space that I'm talking about. There is a bench right here that's unused, and it's like a throw-all. And it becomes very cluttered. So I was thinking if I did like a bookcase, I would have A, somewhere to put books, B, more decorating spots, especially for like the holidays and stuff. But also if I needed to use it for like any storage, I'm sure we could make it pretty. And this is so simple. So here's what it would look like. Hang on, let me just make this a little. So here's what it would look like if we did 3 shelves, and obviously we could have books, maybe a lamp up here would be really cute. If you are trying to stop soda and you still need something, Poppy is a great alternative. I haven't tried the Olippops, but my favorite flavors are the strawberry lemon. I haven't tried the blue flavor. I feel like I would like that one, but I also love the classic cola. That one's really good too. And I swear it's the closest thing that I have found to a Coke Zero. Fabulous. So get like 3 pieces of plywood and screw them in. I don't think that's really how it would go, but it seems pretty simple, right? Thing that I want to look at is the closet system for the master. Now, if I'm thinking correctly, I'm just gonna like sketch away. Here's what we're working with. All of that space, basically. Like, definitely all the way over to the light switch from floor to ceiling is going to be the best bet. We could have like 4 sets of dressers, which would eliminate the one. I could get rid of my dresser for sure. So I think I would love to do that for 2 of the 3 slots. And then we could do shelves on the other ones. I think that would be the most functional, and we could do 1, 2, 3. Obviously measurements would come into play here for all of this, but have the drawers here. All of this would be drawers. Okay, and then up here would be shelving, which leaves over here to be the exact same, which might be nice because that would also kind of tie into our bookshelf over here, and plus it would give us more A, storage, B, more decor room. So we have a lot of clothes, me and Spencer both, and he has a lot of shoes. Now I would take these 2 because that's what I would be getting rid of upstairs. Do you see what I'm saying? And then he could have 3 drawers. I think that's the same. Just leave it like cohesive instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I think that would work, truly, because we have all the hanging space that we need in the back part of in the closet that we already have. So this would just be extra storage for our foldable clothes. I love this. Me and Penelope are just sitting here doing some crafting and having fun. Trying not to go stir crazy in the house. Doing some Valentine's decorations because I don't have any that I put up. So I'm making my own. I've gotten a lot of inspiration, from Pinterest. And yeah, we're just having ourselves a little crafting day. Hopefully this one turns out okay. I did a big X, small O, and an O for her little handprint to go right there. Hopefully all goes well. She's very much into doing this with her hand, so I hope the paint, when it gets on there, she doesn't like do that, and she allows me to place her hand on the paper. Pretty. So we'll have to wait and see how she feels about it. Hey baby, did you drop your stuff? You guys, we obviously have tried and failed. And this one we're gonna have to call in some reinforcements maybe tonight. We have it all over us. Yes. Even this little hand. We're gonna go clean up. All right, you guys, I have more laundry to fold, and it is Penelope's now. So, I'm gonna get that done right now. Her little Columbia jacket is the sweetest thing in the world. She wears it all the time this winter. Hey, good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Did you have a good night's sleep? Yeah. Did you? Yeah. Oh. Good morning, you guys. It's Tuesday. We are on a virtual day because it is so cold outside. I get to stay home today, which is a blessing and a curse. I still have to work from home a little bit, but at least I get to hang out with my girl P and these cutie animals. These cutie pies. Morning, Miss Belle. The roads look so much better today. I know they're still slick though. I'm gonna take P. She's just hanging out in her crib. We're gonna go downstairs, make some coffee and breakfast, and get the day started. I did some Pilates this morning, which was really, really nice. I've just got to get better eating habits. I know that is what is my main problem and my main issue. And I've been thinking, like, it's consumed me pretty much all day and night. So it's just something that's really bothering me, and it's something that I really have to tackle in order to make a change. So we're gonna do some research today on nutrition, weight loss. I'm just trying to get back to my normal size and back into my clothes. Like, that's really the main goal. Lose enough weight to fit back into your clothes, because I gotta lose all this baby weight. Yeah. While my coffee goes, I'm gonna try and find some breakfast to eat. Plan for today is to finish the artwork that we started yesterday. And my attempt at Penelope's handprint yesterday was subpar. So hopefully today we can get it a little bit better. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we'll see. I've gotta do that, and then I've gotta find some frames or something for those to go on. After we finish these crafts, I think what I'm gonna do is just spend the day editing and hanging out with Penelope and getting some work done. I'm just sitting here getting ready to do some research about nutrition and what's gonna help me feel better. Diving in deep. Hey you guys, welcome back. You are in the windowsill on top of a book because my tripod is missing at the moment, but that's okay. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for watching. If you made it through this video, that's so much better. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I will see you guys very shortly. I have a video that should be coming up in a few days. I just have to edit it. Hopefully you guys are gonna see more of me soon. January's just been kind of busy for me. One, because we haven't been back to school in forever. Like, this week is the first full week that we have gone to school so far. It's January 29th. So the whole month of January we've been virtual, closed because of the weather. So I've been at home with Penelope taking care of her, which is, I'm not complaining at all. It's been a wonderful time. But I haven't been on a schedule. And that's pretty hard to film, edit when you don't know, you know, what's coming and going from the day. So hopefully I can start posting on here regularly again. Once a week would be my main goal. Twice a week would be like, stick with me here. I know I talked a lot in this video about my health and like fitness and how that's going. I think I've narrowed down what I need to do and implement. So if that is something that you guys would like to see, just let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and film what I can and what I feel inspired to film. We need to get things back on track. I'm so glad if you stuck around and hung out with me this whole video. Then just leave me a little comment below and I will see you guys next time. Hope you're doing well, and I hope we can get some warm weather around here soon, because it's still doom and gloom around here, but at least it's not in the negatives anymore. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.